RJ, shout out to you. Big shout out to RJ for recommending me this place. I can't wait to try this place. Eat BKK Thai Kitchen. So we're gonna see what's good here. We're gonna see what this is all about. We got the steels on the east side of Young. Just past the Starbucks. Okay, this is lunch. I was gonna skip over it because this goes straight to dinner, but pad thai chicken mix. Okay, Iris says the best thing of this place is the food. That's awesome. You want to be on camera or no? Oh, okay, that's okay. Iris says that the food here is so good. So that's already everybody I've talked to said the food is so good. And bonjour, Iris. Sorry, I'm not fluent in French, but spicy food. I eat spicy food all the time, so we'll see how it stacks up. But I'll try to think of how. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to know how to do it. You know what? I'm pretty sure I can figure out use some of my tech savvy to save the chat. Thank you so much, RJ. I appreciate you so much. I had no idea that I just thought I'd be there walking through the snow and pretty much definitely Insta-worthy, RJ. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna have to take, this is definitely Insta-worthy, and I'm definitely gonna have to add, put some nice photos on Insta to help promote this business. I mean, look at it, how could this not be good? Okay, we're gonna, I gotta give this a go here. JB says, I crossed this path too a couple weeks ago. I didn't speak to him. Oh, JB, yeah, you know what, Johnny? Yeah, I can understand. I was a little bit nervous too, but as soon as I saw that it was him, I wasn't 100% sure, but I was 99% sure. And I just said, oh, hey, what the heck? It doesn't hurt to say hey. Johnny's always said, you're welcome to say hi. Even a quick hi is fine, but I got to have a little bit more than a quick hi. And it was a pleasure. He's such a friendly guy, nice guy. And I really enjoy his content. He is Johnny's Stride. Okay, we're gonna get, should I flip the camera over, or I don't know. Maybe, I wanna make sure, okay. We're gonna take a first bite here of the pad thai here. BKK Thai Kitchen and Bar. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. And RJ, man, I can't thank you enough for this. This is I'm willing to bet big bucks that this is good. What? What this pad thai is amazing. This is so flavorful. The juices are flowing here. I tell you, maybe you don't want to see my face all the time. Oh my God, you gotta check. This is amazing. Seriously. Like, this is amazing. This pad thai is amazing. Tell you. I've had my share of pad thai, and this is like right up there. One of the best. Maybe the best. Maybe the best. Definitely right up there. I don't wanna like try and like hype, like, try and sound like I'm hyping something up for like, I think. But this is it. This is the real deal. This is the real deal. Sorry. This is amazing. Like, I'm not gonna say it's good if it's not good, honestly. Even if someone or some company try to sponsor me and say, hey, can you, if in the future, let's do a food review. Yeah, I'll do it if the food is good. Then I'll say it's good. If it's not good, I'm not gonna say it's good. This is amazing. Like, this is amazing. Cheers to you all, and cheers to you all. I appreciate every one of you, and hope you get to have a nice tasty dinner. Big shout out to RJ. RJ says, but PLL Ale, thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry, I do not speak Arabic, but if somebody knows how to speak Arabic and can translate, that'd be wonderful. RJ says, keep me posted where you'll go, I'll direct you to our other places. Oh yes, definitely do it, RJ. RJ, this is legit. This pad thai is amazing. Maybe I think the best pad thai I've ever had. It's definitely up there. And we're not even in downtown. We're in uptown, so we're not even downtown or you think of downtown, the midtown town. We're in uptown having amazing Thai pad Thai here at BKK Thai Kitchen and Bar. Orphan Annie, back in the house. How's your? Looks good. I got chili on the stove. Okay, Orphan Annie. Oh, we gotta try some of the soup, but sorry, I don't know if you. Maybe I should have to keep. Because I want to show you guys what I'm eating. So this, look at this. It's so full of flavor. And you know what? You know the spicy. Even if you take the spicy, it's not like overly unbearably spicy. So even if you don't normally eat spicy food, then you should still go with the medium. But even though the really spicy, for me, even if you love spicy food, don't worry. This tastes great, but it's not overwhelmingly spicy. You know how sometimes if something is too spicy, it kind of overpowers the food. But this, man, I gotta get some nice YouTube so I can put it on Insta and send it to RJ. And really, I want to spread the word on this. Oh my god, I just tried the mushroom, just the mushroom alone. Next time I gotta bring some equipment so I can put it on a tripod and maybe get better views here. So good. This is so good, so full of flavor. I'm telling you. I tell you straight up, this is legit. Because I'm not gonna say something good if it's not. Like, not just good, it's really, really good. And I'm definitely gonna come here